Hello everybody, welcome back to our Drowsy Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage driver monitoring system on your Suzuki. So I am on a Suzuki e-Vitara. First, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. Now in these settings, we want to go over to the ADAS. And from here, we want to scroll down to driver monitoring system right at the bottom. We want to tap twice to skip the animation. And here we have the drowsiness and inattention warning. So if we have it enabled, whenever we feel drowsy behind the wheel, then there's a camera in the car that will basically look over us. And it will basically, it could tell if we are drowsy. It could tell if we are just not enough to drive, so maybe it's just trying to prevent something. Also, the inattention, whenever you're not looking at the road, but you're looking into your phone or something, then it will also monitor that. So here you guys can keep it enabled, you guys can disable it, and you can enable it back again. That's what you guys can do here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.